Do you feel stuck in some area of your life that you'd love to change? If so, you're not alone. So many people right now are feeling uncertain, they're feeling stuck, they're feeling overwhelmed, and just not sure how to make the changes they want to make. That's why today I'm going to share with you one principle that all highly successful people use to get unstuck and shift their results. Now make sure you watch until the very end of this video because I have an invitation for you that will make a huge difference in helping you get unstuck and shift your results. So what is the one principle that all highly successful people use to get unstuck and shift their results? It is decision. Simple, yet not so simple, right? Think about it. All change starts with making a decision. You must be willing to make a firm decision for what it is you want before you can bring new results into your life. In fact, Napoleon Hill, author of the book Think and Grow Rich, after studying the behaviors of 25,000 men and women, concluded that all highly successful people formed the habit of making decisions and making them quickly. Because it's the decisions that you are willing to make that shape your life. But why does it feel so hard at times, especially when we're stuck, to make decisions? Most people don't know what they really want. Most people are more clear on what they don't want. They have only a vague idea of what they want, but they're not crystal clear. So what is it that you really want? What would you really love for your life? If you aren't crystal clear yet, it's okay. You're not alone. Because people are not clear on what they would really love, they don't know what decision to do. And because they don't know what direction to go, they feel scared to make a decision. With no decision, they stay stuck, frustrated, and things don't change. Well, what if there was a proven way to get clear on what you wanted? What if there was a proven formula for discovering what you would love in a way that gave you clarity and confidence and the courage to make a real decision that would completely empower your life? Well, I've got great news for you, and here's where the invitation comes in. As a certified life mastery consultant, I have been trained and certified in a proven, reliable process that I want to give to you, a process that unlocks the answers to what you would love for your life in such a way that you are crystal clear. And when you're crystal clear on what you want, you naturally feel more confident and have more courage to go after it, right? Thousands of people around the world have successfully used this system to discover what they really want for their life. It's proven, it works, and I'm going to teach you this proven process in an event I'm hosting called the Vision Workshop, and it's coming up soon. So you want to make sure that you register right now. I'm putting the registration link in this post so that you can get a clear vision for what you would love and make an empowered decision that changes your life for the better. So click the link, get signed up, and I look forward to seeing you there. Here's to you living a life you love.